Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 6 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create the user sign up, login and forget password template, right? So these are the wireframes that I have created. So first we will create the user sign up, then login and then forget password. So in this you can see that I have divided this page into section. In one we will show the image, in the second column we can show the form, right? So in this format we will create all these three templates. So let's start with the user sign up and then we will create login and forget password, right? So let's start to create. Okay, so here we have a application, right? And in this application we are going to create sign up page. So first of all we need to define the link here in the header, right? So if user is not logged in, then we will show the sign up link, and when user click on that, it will show the form, right? And if you want to explore the whole playlist, then please you can go to the playlist, and from the playlist here you can see that the hotel management system, right? So this playlist is also added in the Django Next.js and Next.js. Okay, so we have till now we have uploaded 5 videos. So let's do in this 6 user sign up and all, right? So let's so when we go to user and then when we go to sign up, then this should show the form, right? So let's create that. So let me close this. Let's open this, right? And now we have app, checkout, payments. Now let's create one more folder. We'll say user, right? And in the user we'll create file, right? We'll create a file which is sign up, and this should not be a file, this should be folder. So let's create sign up folder, and in the sign up we'll create a file page.js, right? And now we will create the form here. All right, so for the form we will do export default function page, and then we have here, and we will return, let's return section class container 5, and we will say h3 sign up, right? And if I go here you can see that user sign up and this is showing sign up, correct? So let's do one more thing. Let's do class row, and I will make it center. So I will define call 6 and offset 3. In this we will create the sign up form, right? So here we have a sign up, right? And let's do one thing, 8 and 2. Okay, and for that let's remove this actually. Let's create another row, and in this row we have 2 columns. Till medium we will show 6, then we will show 12. Okay, and then in this we will show the form, right? So here we will show the form. In the form we have h3 and we will say sign up, right? And here we will show the image. So for the image we can show home banners. Okay, so let's go to home banners and copy this one and paste here, and we will say thumbs 1.png, right? And because this is from public, so let's define this one. Okay, and let's say class image fluid, so it will take the Bootstrap classes. Okay, and then we have a sign up. We can do, let's say 10 offset 1. This is correct, I think. Okay, and then what we have else? Okay, so we need to create a form. So let's go to get Bootstrap here, and we will say here form. Okay, and we need a horizontal form, right? So what we will do here, we need a grid, form grid, right? So we'll go to form control, say form input group layout, form grid. So here, right? So let's copy this one and paste here. All right, we have 2 columns, and we need to close this tag, close this. All right, let's go here. So sign up, first name, last name. Let's give it some margin, margin, top, bottom, or only bottom, let's say 3. Okay, placeholder first name, and this is area label, not defined area label. Let's not define area label. Okay, so first name, last name, and then username, password. Let's define 2 more. Okay, let's say call 6, and till the medium it will be call 6. When it's small device, we'll say call 12, right? Okay, so this one. All right, so now copy this one, say here text, and this will be username, right? Let's give it some margin padding, sorry, margin bottom 3, 3, 3. Okay, actually let's give it 4, right? Let's see one more thing. We need to do like this, so we need to add label also. So let's add label, and this label should be for first name. So we'll say first name, right? We can change the attributes like ID and other things later, but let's define the structure. First name, last name, and then we have a username, right? Okay, so here first name, last name, username, margin bottom, I think we should do it margin bottom 3, I think, because we defined the label. So margin bottom 3, this is fine. Okay, now password, so type password, and here it will be password. And what are the things? Mobile and email, right? So mobile and email, mobile, placeholder star. Okay, and then we have a mobile, so copy this, paste here, right? And we should also have and this should be number, right? So let's define here email, and type is email. Okay, right? Okay, now this is sign up. Let's we do have, now let's define, after that we will define the button, and button will be for submit. Define the class button HMS BG dark, right? So here we have, actually this should be in 6. Okay, so let's define this. It's taking space because we didn't define the wrapper, right? Submit one more button I will define here for reset, right? So user can reset the form. So we'll simply say button secondary. Okay, and let's give it some margin start. Okay, so this is our sign up form. Okay, now similarly we will create the login form. All right, so and one more thing we can give here in the p tag, we can give here if you are already registered user, login here, right? So and we can give here a link. So this will be our login link, right? So when we click on this, it will log in the page, right? So this is our sign up page, and we have completed the sign up. Now let's go to the login page. Okay, so let's create the login. Okay, so similarly what we will do here, like we created the sign up folder. Okay, so we'll create new folder, we'll say login, and in the login we'll create new file page.js, right? And we'll copy this and paste here. Currently I have copied the same content. Okay, so we'll say login, and what we need, we just need mobile number, right, and password. Okay, so this is password. If you are not a registered user, sign up here. Okay, and when we go to user login, it is showing the login, and here we will add any image. Okay, so this is submit, and this is reset button. So let's define these links, right? So let's interconnect this sign up and login page. So first of all we need to import the link here. So link, correct, and then this should be link. Okay, and this is link, and let's define this user sign up, correct, and the same thing we'll do in the sign up page. All right, so let's define here link. Let's copy this, actually we just change the content. So this is user login, and we'll say login here. All right, so sign up here and login here. Okay, so in the login we will also say that if forget password, right? So let's create one more div here. Okay, and in this we will say forget password. So copy this one and paste here, and we'll say forget password, right? And user forget password, correct? So it should show here where we have created. Oh, we created in the sign up. Sorry, we need to create in the login. All right, so forget password. Actually this should be after the buttons. Let's copy this one and let's just do before the link. Okay, so forget password, and this should be in red text. Okay, so it will be little bit highlight. So if you are not registered this, if you forget password, then we can show this. Okay, let's do one more thing. Forget password. Okay, let's create the forget password then. So what we will do, we have a sign up, we have a login. Let's create one more folder, forget password, right? And then in this we'll create new file, page.js, and let's copy the login one, paste here, and then here we will add the mobile number, right? So for the forget password, we can use either the mobile or email. Now if we use mobile, then we have to send OTP on the mobile, and we have to purchase a few kind of APIs for the OTP and all the things, right? So I'm going to use the email thing, right? So email, so email, so it means email field is required, so we will mark required in the sign up, right? So we'll just say no need for reset button, and this will be email. So we'll say for the here, if you are not registered, then sign up here. Okay, this is fine, and this is email, right? So when we click on this, so where is that login? So when we click on this, it should show this forget password. So let's change this, forget password label, enter your email, and we will send the link, right? So let's, okay, so this is one thing, this is in the 6, so I will do this in a 12. All right, so what is this? This is taking space, so let's do one thing. Let's do this button in the same, right? Oh, I understand why this is taking space, because we given space, margin start. All right, so when we enter the when user enter the mail, then we can send email. Email APIs are free, and we can send the some link to the email, and then from the email we can, user can recover the password, right? So this is spelling, so forget password, email, so sign up, login, and forget password, right? So these 3 pages are done. Okay, in the wireframe I've defined the mobile, but now I realize that we need to email work is easy, because from the mobile work is also easy, but we need to purchase the OTP. We have to register the template to the API because of the government policy. So let's do the email in this project. Maybe in any other future project we can apply the mobile OTP, right? So with this we have created all three pages. Okay, and we have done with this section. where is the videos? Okay, so here, so this is done, and this is also done. Logout, there is no logout page because when we log out it will redirect to the login. Forget is also done. So now we will work on the user dashboard in the next video. Okay, so yeah, so we are done with these three templates, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and please share this video with your friends who wants to learn Next.js, Django, PostgreSQL, right, with the real project. Then please share, subscribe, like this channel, like this video. And if you need the source code of this project, then please go to github.com/codeartisanlab, and here the first pin is hotel management system, and here I have defined all the necessary steps that how you can get the code. I know that I have I keep this price, but I have to do because with this support, with this support I can work on more projects, right? So I will request you to support with this amount, and I will give you this project, right? And if you want to learn, then you can follow the videos. Okay, so thank you so much. In the next video we will work on the user dashboard, and I will try to complete as much as possible designs, right? So thank you, let's meet in the next video.